moment, let's shift our attention now to Karnataka, where a political showdown over the Karnataka government's move to provide 4% reservation in the government contracts to minorities is all set to escalate. The Siddaramaiah government is likely to table the bill in the State Assembly today. Earlier on Friday, remember, the cabinet had approved the amendment to the Karnataka Transparency Public Procurement Act. What does this mean? This means that there will be a 4% reservation in contracts of civil work valued of up to 2 crore rupees exclusively for Muslims. So the BJP is now up in arms and has vowed to oppose the move tooth and nail inside the assembly as well as outside. The BJP has in fact declared that it will mount a legal challenge to the Congress government's bid to give reservation on religious lines. Leading the charge against the Congress government was the BJP MP Tejasvi Surya, who has brought a PFI angle to the controversy as well. He addressed a press briefing yesterday and called religion-based quota unconstitutional and alleged that by giving this 4% quota to Muslims, the Congress government wants to give economic strength to the unemployed cadre of the PFI. He in fact also accused the Siddaramaiah government of trying to encourage religious conversion in the state.
ये 4% रिजर्वेशन देने से ये पीएफआई के ऊपर जो बैन लगा हुआ है केंद्र सरकार के द्वारा, ये पीएफआई के जो इकोसिस्टम है, ये पीएफआई के जो अनएम्प्लॉयड इनके जो कर्मचारी है, वर्कर्स है, इनको आर्थिक शक्ति देने के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी इस प्रकार के काम कर रहे हैं। ये 4% रिजर्वेशन मुसलमान के लिए सिर्फ रिलीजन के आधार पर देने से are you not incentivizing religious conversion in the state?
In fact, the BJP has asked for a rollback in this decision by the Siddaramaiah government. My colleague Neha Hebale is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Neha, the decision by the Siddaramaiah government has garnered some controversy. The BJP says that this is not just unconstitutional, but also they're going to challenge it legally. What are the details? Today, it's going to be brought in the assembly, we're told. What are the details?
Well, that's right, Pratibha. We've seen the manner in which, in fact, this entire issue itself has rocked the assembly. And now with, the bill all set to be presented today in the assembly, it only seems like there's going to be fireworks now on the floor of the House. Remember, we've seen the manner in which, in fact, on 2 counts, BJP has called this unconstitutional, saying that the Supreme Court doesn't allow it, that the Siddaramaiah government is aware of it, but that they're indulging in mere appeasement here of one particular community. Now, in its defense, in fact, of course, we've also seen the Congress government here in the state saying that, that there's absolutely nothing wrong with this as far as the reservation to contractors is concerned. It's not really limited to any one community as such, but to the minorities on the whole, and is being done for their welfare is what the government states. Now, legally, is this going to stand the test of time? Of course, is a big question that arises. We've seen how, earlier as well, issues of reservation in particular, whether it's to do with contractors or even otherwise, have become quite a sensation, or have become quite, in fact, a sensitive matter over here in the state. Now, this time around, of course, we'll really have to wait and see, even as you have BJP leaders there, calling this out, saying that this is nothing but appeasement of the PFI. We'll really have to wait and see what happens in the State Assembly today.
Okay, all right. In just a few hours from now, big showdown expected in the Assembly. Neha, thank you for joining us with those details. So, viewers, in a short while from now, the Assembly is all set to convene. Yesterday as well, we saw protests, and today as well, the BJP has decided to mount pressure. The Siddaramaiah government is all set to table the bill in the Assembly. So fireworks are expected. In fact, the state has been witnessing a raging political face-off ever since the cabinet granted this nod to the proposed reservation on Friday. The BJP has been strongly arguing that the move is unconstitutional. It has accused the Siddaramaiah government of blatant appeasement of the Muslim community. But the Congress party has defended this move and has accused the BJP of peddling lies. In fact, the Karnataka government has asserted that the reservation is being given to the SC, STs and a bunch of minority communities as well, as opposed to just Muslims, as is being claimed by the BJP. Listen in to these political reactions.
Siddaramaiah government decision of giving 4% reservation in government contracts, it's totally unconstitutional. The appeasement politics has stooped to such a level. Their cabinet has already decided to give 4% reservation in government contracts. Bharatiya Janata Party will oppose this move very strongly. We'll fight it out. We'll fight on the floor of the house and also outside the house.
So if this is halal budget and Pakistan budget, then the union government also run the Ministry of Minority Affairs. So that means the union government also is building a Pakistan within India. Whenever BJP is losing ground, is losing popularity, they bring out the ghost of Muslims to sustain their livelihood. So I mean, take Maharashtra for example. Maharashtra has tripled the madrasa teachers' salaries. They have given 1,000 crores for Maulana Azad's Development Corporation Board. So that is not appeasement. The problem is the infighting is so much that to hide the infighting, they're bringing out these things.
So the question is it open appeasement by the Congress government in Karnataka, or is it a reservation, just like reservation has been extended to the SC/STs and OBCs? The political face-off continues and we're keeping a track of that. For now, quick break. We'll be right back. I'll see you there.